Joe, I just want to really thank you. I think helping me fix our marriage where it can go farther than 32 years. I just really thank y'all for being around. And I think we're going to make this work another 32 years if I live that long. But I'm not the only one out there that's screwed up. And I would recommend it to everybody I know.
Yeah, this workshop has been an incredible tool. They say you think together, you don't have to think alike, but think together. And within this workshop, as fast as the 3 days we've been here, it's been a 360, literally. I didn't want to come. I'll say that. I didn't want to come. I'm here. I'm glad I came. It made a huge difference. I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot about my husband. The tools are incredible. If you don't think you'll learn something, you're absolutely wrong about that, because you not only learn about each other, you learn how to work together and how to start listening and communicating and going forward from whatever issue you're working with in your marriage, wherever you are in your relationship. And it takes you to gives you a whole new perspective, so you can be a better you and be a definitely stronger, better couple. And this has been greatness. It's been an eye-opener. And like I said, if you don't want to, everybody's already said it. We wish we had known about this sooner. We would have been here
10 years ago.
10 years ago. But we didn't know about it. But we're here, and we are so glad we did it. And we will tell everybody we know about it, because it does make a huge difference, and a fast difference. It's not like reading a book and pondering your way through the information. You get fast information. The breakout sessions for great working with other couples and understanding, hey, you're not in this alone. Other people have similar or other issues and from all walks of life, and it happens. So thank you, marriage helpers.
I really recommend that anybody that's having any issues go through the workshop. We've been through multiple counselors with very little success. This workshop dives into the deeper details of communication, love, everything that you really need to make it work. But not only shows it to you, but helps you understand it thoroughly into where you can pretty much fix anything with your spouse and have hope for love and, the forever that we all hoped for when we took the vow to be with the person, forever. So this workshop has really opened my eyes and helped me see a lot of things from a different light and really helped us.
Okay, so I'm going to try not to cry. Today's been rough. I don't know why it's weird. Yesterday should have been harder, but today is. I actually have taken so much from the workshop. For me, it's more recognizing things within myself, I guess, that maybe I've projected onto my relationship in a negative way, that have given me a negative outcome without me actually realizing that's what I was doing. So that's been a big deal for me, and the push-pull, and maybe also seeing things in a completely different perspective, which I have a really hard time doing, but that's really helpful for me. And I feel like I'm leaving the workshop with a lot more confidence than I came with. So I just really, really appreciate the whole experience.
Hi, my name is Karen. This is my husband, Tim. And we live in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we have done Marriage Helper for our marriage. And it's been an awesome 3 days. Took so much from the seminar. One thing that I really enjoyed is the love path. I'm really excited about getting on the love path and starting to fall in love all over again. Another thing that I loved is the pies, because it's something that I can control within myself. That's the one thing I'm most excited to learn. We learned about each other's styles and what it takes to communicate with one another, and what he needs versus what I need, and where we're at in our marriage. Go ahead.
Yeah, and my name's Tim. I think it's wonderful. It's about self-reflection. It's not about what she should do for me. It's about what I need to do better as a human being so that I can fulfill her. And whenever you start these dialogues, it's always about leading with the right comments or what do you appreciate. And I think we all have to be reminded about why we got married, about the good about marriage. And yes, all of us have hard times and the breakout sessions are great. The thing I would take away is the 10-10-10. Think about what a decision is going to do in 10 seconds, 10 minutes, and 10 years. But phenomenal. And I would say that you need to invest in yourself. We don't invest in marriage, but boy, we invest in a lot of things. And this is very, very good.
Thank you, Dr. Beam and Alice. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
I just want to thank the Marriage Helper for doing this. I feel very honored as well to be part of this first online. So for me, it's really helped me being able to see the tools in which you've created. Those tools have allowed me to look internally and understand myself and how then I can apply myself to help my family. It was a big thing that I was missing and I wasn't able to understand how to do. And so between many of the different tools that you've provided, it's been incredible. It's been a wonderful eye-opener. So thank you for that.
Yeah, I would say this is probably one of the most transformative weekends that I've ever had. And, we went into it thinking we're going to get tools for our marriage, but we got tools for ourselves, our parenting, our relationships, and how to move forward with some things. I know you said you don't deal with childhood issues and stuff, but a lot of that forgiveness, if there's unresolved stuff from childhood that is affecting the marriage, those steps in there and those tools in there are, I think, going to be invaluable for us as we work through some of past trauma. So I'm very grateful, very grateful. Yeah.
Thank you.